I'm sneaking up on hours. He don't know I'm coming in. He been quarantined and he decided to make dinner. Hours in action. Let's see what he making.
What the? Sneaking up on a brother like that. You know you can get cut in here.
We had, oh, I
Sneaking
got
up on a
some.
brother like that, you can get cut doing that.
We in Iowa's kitchen, and I got him back, y'all. Y'all know how he snuck on me the other time. I did one of his moves walking in softly. I had sauce on.
You get cut.
You
when
ain't
sneaking
cut
up
me.
on
What you making? You got all caught up in quarantine. You cooking everything we got left in the house.
Well, we got plenty left to eat, but I'm just giving us more, something different. Cornbread, corn muffins.
Okay. Well, lift the pan up, case at my cord. Is that kale? What's
No,
that?
this is collards.
Oh, okay.
Collard greens.
Oh, you going country on me?
Smothered pork chops.
Wow. Okay.
Mashed
What?
potatoes.
Scratch?
Mashed potatoes from scratch.
KK, hurry up before we run out of space.
And fried pork chops. We got smothered and we got fried.
Okay, Mama, you know he a meat man.
And last but not least, mac and cheese if you want it, because we got two starters, the potatoes and mac and cheese. So.
Man, and I'm ready to eat, but I'm definitely gonna drink my tea to get rid of all that. But what you looking at me like that for? I'm doing real good. I'm doing real good now. Yeah, y'all see the bill? Iron Horse don't play. When he come in here, he always in and out. But I stayed away. When I snuck in here, got him, and he's already done. You done?
Oh, just finishing my last biscuits.
Oh, biscuits or cornbread?
These here.
Cornbread.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all.
Corn muffins.
I'm gonna go ahead and make my tea. You know, so I can detox as I eat. Anyway, we called him. We got you. We got you back. All right, he gonna get me too, because I'm going to sleep after this meal. I know I am. I already know. Because, see, that tea make me don't want to eat. But I got to eat. I got to feed the body. So this will do it. All right. Peacing out, y'all. Loving you. I'm going to kill a cornbread, though. With honey.
Cornbread's good.
I know it is. You put your love in this bill because you were throwing down and I ran out of the kitchen. That's basically it. That's how we roll. Peace and love until next time in the Iron Horse kitchen. This time we caught him. Yeah, we caught him good. Yeah, you know.
Caught me getting down.
Yeah, you got down. You got down with this meal. What y'all think, ladies? What y'all think? Huh? Iron Horse kitchen. That's what they call it. Peace and love and be safe and be blessed, okay?